How to reset Spotify password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can reset your Spotify password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you forgot the password for your Spotify account, you can actually reset it not using the app, but you have to actually use your browser. So open up your Chrome browser here and go to spotify.com, and then after that tap the three lines option here and then go to the login page. If you had remembered your email and password, it would be easy for you to actually log in. Otherwise, what you can do over here is just tap on this little option from the bottom known as forgot your password. So now just tap the forgot your password option from the bottom, and then now you have to go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address. Tap the send option. It is going to send a verification link to your email. When it sends a verification link to your email, when you open the email application, you'll get the verification link. When you tap on the link from from Spotify, then you will be able to enter a new password without having to remember your old password. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.